feel like a high adwin TV and come mama high adwin. Brother John Wanso akoba.
Oh, me so.
I remember Bodin.
Big brand.
Big brand ni. So we have Kofi Taylor, we have Big brand. Bibi Aboko there. Nice one. Let's start the conversation from Kofi Taylor. We've been talking about it. You didn't come who the publicity flyers a call event to be a day that's so Afterlife, aka Fear Life. We will how Fear Life across any one hand. I'm me baby. You say whether it is intertwined or not, but they can't Afterlife. What is Afterlife?
Okay, Mefa Akunya so. Ada OBBOT Opemsuo FM. I say, and Opemsuo meda also was a black program. Enyam ben krawa bon de rosa or platform you so social media. BBA you have been supportive. OBBA also Opemsuo FM. Meda OBBA say, mama opportunities so you met talking about Afterlife and OBBA OT ya say Afterlife. I think that today is the first time I meet you.
Really?
Yeah.
Ever? Was this the second one I wore? Ever?
It's the second time.
Yes.
But we have some Afterlife I meet you.
Really?
Like how it came about.
Okay.
Meet you.
Okay.
Because message but I think that on your platform the way you have been supportive, I can use this chance to explain to you.
Okay.
Say Afterlife. And Pempino, people think it's about life after death, but that's not the issue. What we want to preach to the people, and say, "You perceive nya enijebia enkofo wie no mo pon free program na sakrana, almost said the enije ni be Kofi. While you feel like, hey, I deal with them perceive be say si ochina. Enije mro so a Osa Kofi abesa or de say yeah besa ibim.
Okay.
We chilling till Afterlife.
Okay.
And yet nothing deep like life after death or something like unforgettable memories.
Okay.
Wow, we feel when you just say what any program it's basically a car Afterlife nepa.
That is what it stands for. Yeah. Now Obibe Busa say I know you personally to be an enterprising person. Say ebi a onsawaha. This is known to be that of Kofi Taylor's. All thinking and I say want to and now they are back, into being an event that brings people together just to have fun till one kasebi our bread. Why bring up or why cook up this whole thing?
Initially, my first program was Oko Yede. That's I think last 3 years at Basement.
Okay.
Into for that 1 year or 2 years interval in a program.
Okay.
So last year now, your planning say the Afterlife first one, and initially Afterlife it's on my birthday.
Okay.
My birthday is on 12 July.
Okay.
So last year, on 12 July to celebrate my birthday, Sena and Kofi on my support Kofi Taylor TV. Ye na ebe shia ni anu ni aji ni Kofi.
Okay.
So this year so ebesa is my birthday. By the 11th July.
Okay.
So na be dear 12
July.
Right now na be something annually.
Okay.
Yeah e dey promote you akwa animu. Ayi na ebe keka e ho abom. E dey anije baako e dey abra sentiment.
You mentioned being the last 3 years you had your first event. Last year you had an event. This year, Basso. Is that to say, Ubia will name the Kofi Taylor TV brand? Nibia should also associate event organization with the brand. And as you said, Wawoda and our person will be will name Jumedia Kofi Taylor TV and our friend Nipa or Mabe. And now we should get to understand, say.
Oh, no, people should attach it to the brand.
Okay.
In the sense that black in Kofonimie.
Yeah.
And yes, so they are dom yanon. Send ye bit me a man Kofuaba.
Yeah.
Nay, so in a kind of one boom. Yeah, dear Nijaba Kwaba.
Okay.
Program ye ain't me near the beer. Ain't me kasi a program all the time.
True.
It is a Aquanya neba, Nasi bit me a can Kofuabu, Mama in Nigeria. I think say no any event organization na.
Okay.
Yes, we are the aboa. Ye nuanom so so obi a person gene.
Okay.
Into event organization there. it can be part of the brand as well.
Okay. Let's move to the event itself. It happened last year. Obeka said that was the start of the maiden edition of the event dubbed Afterlife, even though this wasn't the first event Oye as a person. The planning, execution, people coming, the attendance, everything. So, oh, summing up and I say, oh, my little conversation as of Afterlife 1.0. Obeka said saying a call, venue wise, attendance and everything. In case you want to summarize it, how would you say it went?
Oh, it was cool. But I can say it was cool, nice, but just that a bromeso.
Okay.
I never knew that people would come like this.
Okay.
So they had to even bounce people to go back. I had to refund money to people and confirm more ticket and went to my room.
Yeah.
So this time around, we planned on say Yerebeko Flow Event Center.
Okay.
A bigger space. Kakra a bit me a containing Nipano. But last year too, it was very nice. Just that venue no is some for. You know, this time around, yeah, they call bigger space, bigger experience.
There are people that are listening that first one or they weren't part. Probably they didn't even see stuff that was, happened there. So let's walk through it, Kaka. It happened at Hemfa. Milan. Yeah. Basically, as you said, it's just a party for people to come and enjoy themselves. But how was it really? You get people coming in being MCs. Did you have an artist build on it? We understand the fact that it's just happiness, it's just enjoyment, it's just you sipping on something, you enjoying the music. But how did it really go? Was it just that music, dance, and no one answered something until the later? It be a shasina people didn't know, but it was more of like a surprise to them.
Oh, me I can say since it was the first edition, na a ticketed event, in Kofi Chia, Everton, CG, or many come. And the point event.
Okay.
But this time around, we are coming with experience. Yadi Yenyabema Nana Bonsu.
Okay.
Ura event in more. At the start of the event, Omona Bebo Fonton from they are welcoming Kofi.
Okay.
This knowledge came about like once a tech say Uri school after our graduation, peer free. Now, Fonton from Furnace or Mobile.
Yeah.
That joy now, all this sun, like you feel like BBF free, so like oh when you are J.
Yeah.
So that Nigiana, Yenya or Tech, the same Nigiana will be right Afterlife anymore. These Fonton from guys will welcome you with to your table, to where you will stand, where you will sit. Into this year, the experiences will be more.
Okay.
But yeah, the BB have low down popcorn.
Okay.
Go for bar.
They would have to come in and see the experience themselves.
Yeah.
Last year you talked about challenges, being tickets, entry points, and then everything. Maybe say, are there solutions to this year? The year, and answer. These are normal human errors and stuff. You wish you could contain it, but then. Best, but necessarily it wouldn't be as. And I say, are there lessons learned that will be improved in this year's version?
Okay, sure. Say I can't. First one, the way people came, no problem. Because Milan, not also do my elevator and put.
Wow.
For people to use the staircase.
Yeah.
Staircase is so cheap.
Yeah.
So they weren't allowing people to put.
Yeah.
So this year, Echo Flow, the main entrance of Flow.
Yeah.
You bought barricades towards to reach condo space to Kakra. And me person fa konya iso chia Asante Regional Police Operations Commander, Mr. Opoku Kodia. Onona me with security, with men, with barricades.
Okay.
You be making sure say ubi bia oba program na sibiano. Security wise there is fully safe. Because in Kofi Badoso into cars ni bua ebe park o kwan no, and most specialists students and also obama into obu obe for boat na be intimi machine will flow e be seen on roadside no, into you making sure that there will be police people on that stretcher on me protecting Kofi, and there will be two entrances. One entrance will be for the regular people, and Kofi baby will mu ticket dada, so when you enter udu on you enter with your
tickets here, already purchased tickets.
Already purchased ticket. And your VIP, entrance so on.
Okay.
With this entrance, you know, on my reserved tables, Obia when a ticket to that.
Okay.
Into Obia or baby number of people or whatever.
Yeah.
Obia also when a ticket or day room.
Okay.
Into do and once I do ticket a chair. Now dear room. No matter who you are, say, yeah, bro, inviting them out tickets. So tickets, you know, I was already on call for.
Yeah.
Send a yeah, you wouldn't stress or something.
Yeah.
And each table is to each bouncer.
Okay.
And each waitress.
Okay.
Into Ube do on my bouncer no, and the best for what you be able pack a car. Bouncer no, and the bill you do to your table. No jam change throughout the program. And ya fina ubi ba u table so now we say nipa no ba table then one kasa na we so.
Yeah.
So these are some of the planning yeah wo honum say ebeboa. And aside the table packages, we have another table for nkofo so omaba. Obu a on here table but on an nkofo aba omo pe baby so atena.
Yeah.
Omenya baby atena awo don omo nyama kakra bi omo so. E de beji omo ni so. Ntenye say table packages for no nko. Unya bantem na table ne da honoma obenya baby atena. So I would advise say omo ticket there. Time frame because of last year into there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe me I say more into details into the night itself. Obi Basi said rightly mentioned what HB. We'll look at other factors and so. But let me ask this. We've had events here in the city. A year themed, a year age restricted. What that's in your money now. Afterlife, you talking, you spoke about giving an experience to especially those in the tertiary cycle. You made mention specifically of KNUST or more free more banner. That experience be or no munya school more. You want to bring it to the Afterlife this time around. So I would want to ask, Afterlife as an event on its own, is it a theme that a age restriction be that home? Which man can say be addressing big home dressing code big home. You talked about time. A time restraint to the extent say you need to be there at this particular time. Over this particular time, regardless of the ticket you are holding, be on your interest. BB sa home. Has it been that before? And at this year, best and I say BB say any home, and at this year's BB and say any home ever sa.
Okay, but that's with age. There's no age restrictions. Just that you need to be above 18 years.
Okay.
Everyone above 18 years is accepted to come over.
Okay.
There. And we're dressing, just feel easy, look good, because we are coming to have a better experience over there.
Okay.
Where Milan, say Milan is a very nice place. You cannot dress anyhow to the place.
Yeah.
So here, so just feel easy.
Yeah.
Because with the number that is coming, imagine so be a hill diaba. Maybe you'll be feeling comfortable with the hill, but with the crowd, so now so you feel the pain.
Sure.
So just wear something easier. Over to me, have a very good night experience over there.
Okay. My member Big Brand Honamin Chepe Desin. Big Brand, as your name implies itself. Yes, talking about brands, doing your own thing, circulating and doing it. More affiliation with Afterlife. Maybe I say is it Afterlife Big Brand or Big Brand was on his own? Big Brand now has that affiliation with Afterlife. And if it's so, what involvement does the Big Brand itself does for Afterlife?
Oh, Kofi Taylor, me, I'm a boss. So this one, we are supporting him. We are part of the team.
Okay.
Afterlife.
Okay.
Yeah, so Big Brand is part of Kofi Taylor now. Yeah.
Okay, so specifically from your side, then I'm more here to use up the Afterlife party. Is it said they were there on any walk around do conversation?
Sales, other things,
okay. Specifically, ticket sales, a bit like I said, more handle.
Yes.
How is it? Is it
Connect?
Okay, is it how purchasing unit is saying? How do people get tickets? Is it easy accessible?
Yeah.
Would you have to wait till you get to the entrance and answer to say you could get some online now?
Easy accessible. You just call the number on the flyer, then they'll deliver to you.
Okay. Me and Lakadasika, we try my GZ drew a snap back once and my back.
Obene Bizu gate.
Okay.
Okay.
Kofi say may say about her. And now you want to say something about this?
Somebody will be some question.
Then may say about back to Kofi Hono. Now to the event itself, you gave a little bit narration on how the entrance would be, who would be welcoming who, the moment you enter, where your ticket will take you. You touched a little bit on security and then everything. People coming in, as you said, big brand is part, and Obi answer a war, but me Jimre, ama Obi answer just like big brand is Obi or support it or help will be no being sponsorship or everything. No, especially that moment when I do home in their contributions. But I want you to walk me through again. Maybe Afterlife, my Tommy ticket, baby, I'm a packet, my packet. I know there's security around. How do I walk in? When I walk in, what do I do? That's my tag show, say me koha, and then everything. I know most of parts you don't want to keep secret because it's the experience as you're talking about.
Yeah.
People need to come and have that experience. But walk me through that little bit. How is it like?
Okay, so Afterlife. But Afterlife, I think it's a regular ticket. You have to pass through Rich Condos phase 2.
Okay.
So there will be a first entrance over there. You better check your ticket, no ticket. Yeah, what room. So remember, you first see the front on from people. You can have a dance with them, video with them, anyhow. Ura inside the social, there will be cocktails tables over there. Okay. There will be also tables over there. The table will be able to do on normal, and you're reserved there. You are fully free to sit on it.
Okay.
I'll bet me at all the come.
Okay.
So there will be a barricade on the field. A bit separate table packages from the regular people.
Okay.
But the same experience no be happening.
Okay.
But only be a table packages we bet me invite one more by inside.
Okay. Okay.
We are doing this thing for comfortability sake. Also wait you on the so yes, making sure it's also you're comfortable.
True.
Because obia away anymore. Na what is kakesi de ato bibi. No could jina on no apamo when you're comfortable.
True.
When you go
true.
So it will be best to say you be creative so special places so I also be also experience on also be bar closer to you. I'll bet me so at also drinks.
Yeah.
Any BB on it. And yes, Obi was true sinning Obi. We are making sure say you will get one experience.
Okay. Okay. And that's how practically you work in. You talked about say 2 entrance. Okay. One now, the second one, where will it be and which people will be using that entrance?
Sure. So the second entrance is the VIP people.
Okay.
Obi Awaji table. Obi are inviting. So they will come from the front of Flow Event Center.
Okay.
Flow Residence. They will come from the front side. There will be a gate over there. And Kofi Ebijanum are like check it on tickets that have been given to the VIP people.
Okay.
We are VIP. Every another will ticket bar. Nipa bar you need to purchase at the gate.
Okay.
Gates now for the buy and I want also purchase.
Okay.
What the kind? I think will be sober. The bouncer near to your table and also a nipa.
Okay.
Say nipa no ticket that you will be allowed. But so need ticket there or say o bouncer no kofano. No to no the room. It's that entrance in there. And for those table packages, any VIPs now some more VIP tax. I'm gonna meet me around. Send a like Obian stress.
Okay.
Or regular for regular on nebejina. Or VIP so for on nebejina. And my advice is so yes, or more Obu no need tickets. But Oba no a bit choky entrance and I no be brave. That one it wouldn't be allowed. So Oba ubit me away tree. Open so be purchase with ticket then you come front.
Jizi what?
Per se yeah but
ticket
na obi jojo ewo honum enye fe mame enye fe so ma o nti me pa cho a wa oni ticket eni kwan se oben main entrance no na ode basabasa ye de ba because ye de ntutu ya to kwan mu say obi abenya the best experience for Afterlife. Yeah.
If I got a clarification well as me were VIP ticket practically it might come with other tickets be my home call for. But let's say I have one VIP ticket and then I have 4 others I'm call for. But I'm getting a table that can contain like 10 people. 10 people no make me the man by me table no, but then I also making sure say the 5 aside maybe 5 they already have tickets to the general admission.
Yes.
Till with their general admission ticket is then that I can take them from them to come to my table.
Yeah. I will say almost what ticket because that ticket is not allow it or more amaba. And with that barricades never set on field. there will be 2 meters gap in it.
Okay.
Nti ebi a obehu obi o person nipa neba. Bounce a o gina no ebetimi afre nipa nde na ban.
Yeah.
Enye so obetimi afre obi ade na ban. Nipa o person o ma neba obetimi aba. So far as we table no nya packed.
Yeah.
We are comfortable so we be able to join it. I think say BBI are confirm.
Kofi, we're talking about having the event, sharing the experience. What as the event organizer, what as someone celebrating, let's say, your birthday, and as a celebrating life, what life has thrown at you where you've got to. Aside all this, what is that one thing or that thing you would say that happens at Afterlife, after the event itself, after reviews, you feel, yeah, I didn't know, but yeah, I didn't know. What is that one thing that you could, because why that into a be a urban? If there is something like that, who's the way they die, then into be bar. We all catch you be so bar, be filia then. Is there anything like that?
Mene big band or one me catch no about. Say at the end of the day, no. Me pesa at the end of the effort. And one thing I want it to be nice is the coordination.
Okay.
If coordination near best, the way ni mu any aji, the way chase so any aji, the way bonting cross so any aji.
Sure.
If the coordination is best, I swear, we will have the best experience at Afterlife online.
Okay.
Yeah. Bumper is a coordination, and your best. And your best, you will be obite, ubin kuti ubi, ubin koka ubi, yenye overpacked, ye gni. Obi a way che jineni, the way ni mu jineni, the one chen so jineni.
Simon and I will show dark now, Jina Sura,
that can never pass.
Yeah, Kasa about tickets, getting the right ticket to be at the right place you'd want to be. Yeah, Kasa about coming in early and then all that time of pain.
Oh, yeah.
And Yakasa about even age restriction. One making it clear say once you are 18 and above is good. You can come. But if you time of bang na jumedi ni shasi, and a time of bang and me amateur ticket se me bano memra.
With time on the flyer is 8 p.m. By you can't say me Ghana man time.
Yeah.
Jesus say on over 8 on also by the time. But with 8 now actually, Mama will be a watch. Crowd could have regular tickets is 11 p.m.
Okay.
11 p.m. in the sense that minimum conform mobile party. Obu ho nika. It is one or done a ride in Tema. I do not join your bimo.
True.
It's a sound of nation, which is also but within 10 to 11 and 9 to 10.
Yeah.
It when him say, oh, bad program no 1, 12, 3, 4. What them patrol that time? They be all VIP. I mean, no near some like.
True.
I know they open will be to table, so I know they. But regular people, me dream on home more than on home anymore because I need more fun. My arrangement at home, they will also enjoy. But more watching, me dream on home more. With say, mobaba na money anji program. It's in patrol. Just come early, because the DJs, the MCs, the lineup is mad right from the onset. It won't mean kase, and then may about 2, may about 3, because DJ went to win. OBI is sick, and also. And one thing I am touching on here. Ambulance. Ambulance. Omo fa regular on.
Yeah.
There will be ambulance on my life.
Okay.
The rest will be on her. We won't me crowd. It is a BB2 will be quickly. And also, you bet me so irrational.
Meaning, it's not just providing the security as in police, and for those amenities are made by into a public space. Be a what's a Kofi, are tickets still selling?
Tickets. When come on shows, I sold out.
The OBK, also much care for the full for meaning the India. Are tickets still selling?
Limited tickets still not available. And there will be small tickets at the gate because and Kofi be
okay.
Tickets in mostly or Asafo or campus.
Yeah.
They will on Ben into now. Yeah, arrangement say a people gate. send a nipa ne bebantem na wabeton ne die. So one only ticket went to me so a mantem and patcho. Here the ticket is sold out.
Limited ones now available. How does someone get one?
On at the gate.
CC and Ukraine be baby say be online. No,
there's no online. I think it's a limited slot in American. It's like 50 or so.
Oh really?
Yeah. 50 or
for
so.
The capacity that flow can host.
Yeah, like limited ticket and
okay.
For better is like 50. Until you make arrangement for small ones for and go for more
limited and for no binyato and
ube to me out of free Church City branch.
Okay.
Say ube to me out of free KNUST Connect or no.
Okay.
Ube to me out of free big brand or no.
Okay.
At the end of the program, the phone number betuja ubi a person to ticket be ube to me. I think that the number is 0596 10 9517 0596 10 9517 open ticket at all every now.
The experience is coming on Kofi Taylor Afterlife 2.0 on the air basso. Baby you'd want to this brings to me to my question. Having such events, there we go for Oscar in Tiana and Shadan Show. Now I wouldn't say MG anymore. Says Kafua Grona ni BDU. But then in organizing events and then all this, going to a space that practically they just give you the space. Obe osi embetadie, osi nkonya oho, osi barricades oho. Meaning you have to put something into it, not just the space rental. Abuafo wo ho, abuafo no mo ye hwan a. Those are needs mentioning. I think we could do them that at the end of for helping, for making people to come have that experience. It's worth we let them, we get to know them and make mention of them.
Okay. Doing such events, Uber J event space, nothing is there. You have to provide your stage, your chairs, everything. Nipa also has seen for this program. It's Church City. Say, Ube to me, I permit me, and commit to me. Sorry, Adam.
Nice one.
The fellow need the film.
Okay.
And my man can be small about her.
No problem.
I know how she is. Lady saw me a pizza man. But na me nim no. No, he said, I want the team say, that's Kofi Taylor or Nick Chris Motiwono. One day, some be a Juma, me never to see.
Seriously, just like that. Only move from afar.
Only me from afar. Tine on it. So my friend be, and obey na me ndi bi that. To my friend no na a strict aduane man.
Okay.
And I'm say aduane be na odi no so Church City.
Okay.
I'm say oh okay. And on other be nya dey. Emma me. Na we na madam for no kwa ka che ne say aduane no Kofi Taylor na epe black. Aduane Kofi Taylor di enti no. Me some fried rice but it came with fried rice with jollof.
Yama mixture.
Mixture say
complimentary food plus the one you buy.
So my name started Ejuma from November and seriously she has been very helpful to my brand. Into say me jano ma me dana say and on also you seen for this program.
Nice.
And your lady and ka program ne planning BBA and yes
nice.
Can't say
nice.
And when people come you guys will see say yeah ye program.
Nice.
And me person me used to akonya at the dana say or no doctor the whole Church City brand obi biara or ye Juma Church City me do obi biara say.
Does that mean say beba na Church City track BC ho a obi pe bi ato a obenya na say we die embeje ani keke na later yakọ omo branch together
baba ye gusu de hunko nti ebe efe so say wenya hangover no hu se dua no
yeah
but
just we na wo
but say o promise you be say dua no beba na amba problem nti yembo mum ye bu mum na say hu aduane o sa join na obenya no
yes
yes e also hu nya aduane to. But when you Church City,
a whole bunch of favorite song ever could Joy is coming, Nene.
Yeah, because F and you know kind experience and as my mean to me can
you need to feel it.
Me surprising things.
Yeah.
So who say BBC?
Yeah.
Oh, BBC. Just expect something from them as well. Cause I'm also about chilling.
Nice.
We are chilling with them. We are partying with them.
Nice. And wrap up. But as you said, everything that has to do with security, health-wise, entrance, and amoye, you are providing 2 good entrances. You are giving that assurance of say, baby, I have a park vehicle. We are in and around Flow Event Center now. Will be packed well, will be secured. You'd have securities in and around there, and then everything. Oban Tamonso, you get to find a good place. Wow, per se, Obetina and everything. Kofi, before Meje will last, as I said, now camera we are talking about the experience. But you have some bad lineup of DJs and then MCs. Obetachi on Hokakama. Yvonne, I think you have pictures of them. Some nice DJs, some nice MCs. What are we to expect from them? What is that there or they are also really bringing to the table?
With the MCs and DJs, you know, me who the way I miss if I down, must say, they have been very supportive with the hype, everything. People sending me videos, making sounds for me, like it's a whole lot. Like me down must too much, and me I'm in California and no much me or does say ampa. Me so me omo there. I'll try and mention their names. We have MC Wonderboy, we have Heady One, we have Benata from Accra, we have DJ Logic, we have MCK Black, we have DJ Future, we have DJ Fonzie, DJ K Brown, DJ Bryant, DJ 50 Watts, Clavish MC, Alabama, Afro Kweti DJ, Nanaya Albekin, MC Stana, Safety Sax, and DJ Daos, and also DJ Kelly One. Into this time around there.
Nina event I started 11.
Only one I started 11.
So we say Ghana man. What did you? We see 8. But Ghana man the fans 11.
But only time here.
And the people beside say the lineup you know. Yeah, the point time ben a lineup you they started 8 krana. Tell my lineup away. Mobia give and take 1 hour, 1 hour. Now the 30 can park Kakrebia.
Nina can experience now me person me boss no. What's in common as it? Yeah. Because this program we are closing at 11 p.m. 11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Yeah.
Yeah,
because event nankasa at your say on my extending my time no call 12 p.m.
Okay.
Inti o de mesoma chill movie 11 a.m. Na yeah the 1 hour so at the air preparation.
Wrap up baby.
Yeah, be wrap up. Because this program, if nothing should happen, young point them couple.
I think Ebiana the Kofi cannot say in bigging up these MCs and DJs. I think one conversation I have said we ain't space here way. Is happy to have an event organizer talk so well of the DJs and the MC. Sengoma is kaji and goma jo musical.
Good.
Intinga sengem fan honing koma so be chichi mo. But regardless, sisi kaji wum, sisi kaji nim. I think it's that environment. I'm happy when it comes into the conversation where event organizers appreciate those that they've put on. And I think it's all good. Little Kofi Kai, no. We need not to talk much more about the experience, but come have the experience itself at the Afterlife. Kofi, then I will catch tour, then I will catch patrons. Limited tickets, then I say for you. Tell me, talk to me. Big man, will be back. I'm not sure answer.
Okay. Start. No.
Oh, me and your mechanic say, "Obi Ambra Virginia." Send I'm a godfather Kofi Kayan. Just come and have fun.
Okay.
And come with a sound mind that you are come to have fun.
Okay.
That's all.
I'm on so base muncho move for you fun to was a month we
Oh yeah, we have a full production team.
Nice one. Kofi. Ya kasa o but ya jide twa to na free ho ankasa.
Okay.
Then na wo dey my ankasa.
Black answer na me dem last words beba. Opemsuo I am very supportive to Afterlife, to Kofi Taylor. So I think that this is the right time. Me so the minimum team, yeah, the brand yeah, invitation, official invitation to
Shuperu,
Afterlife party.
Shuperu.
And also,
So officially, Opemsuo has been invited to Afterlife.
So, Opemsuo Radio, Opemsuo TV, from Kofi and the team. Yeah, the more official invitation. Bremo. And say, Obe permit me, ama.
Oh, I think yeah, but abuse na me.
So this is your invitation to Afterlife. Nice. The first one, we will give you your cap.
Nice one.
Black with me. Cap.
I'll say with me shakra. And then if you are that thing, GM will allow. You know, Afterlife, yes. Afterlife.
And send me buy one with scarf. Yeah,
nice one.
Nah. Oh, how with Jeezy. Also,
when you be answer.
Oh, then. And also, no.
I know,
right? My member on also scarf in the back.
Nice one. Nice one.
Your friends away, yeah, baby, yeah.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
And dream come baby, I'm in jail. What's in say? And dream we now, yeah, they officially a demo.
Okay.
We are warm up.
Okay.
Warm up our developer.
Nice one.
We can cool it down.
Nice one.
Crayons and we be around.
Yeah, and only yeah, baby, yeah.
Insanity, yeah, baby,
yes.
I think also.
Nice one. So I have my yeah, baby, yeah here as part of the invitation. Particularly when they're from me, I want to talk about this. I think say the Kofi Kachi with the table packages. No, this is how it is. Kofi, we are handles for me. Say Obi pay. You know, details. We've talked a lot. Yeah, didn't come out there, but maybe no be pay other details. So this is how the table packages are like. So you could go in for the 10K, the 20, the 30, the 40. And I like how Mode Yina Shahono drum kit webinar Shahono to represent the experience you'd be having if you are to come into. Officially, I did Imperophobia anymore. Imperophobia. So go for me too. What's your wrap up for me?
Wrapping up no. Yeah, I said I guess you have my Opemsuo FM. I said I guess you have a co and comma me name Abusiafo. Madam Abusiafo, I say they have been very supportive. Baby, we are me war. My name say when you did that, me say ya, but Yamea do much na when you be J Abroso because Ubu dear Oba Kofi Taylor, I was sentiment, and also planning committee. I many omo ye programming. Alamanda baby obi amedase baby connect KNST connect to obi amedase baby big brand so there menen na wa me da ono so ase obi bia menen na ye a planning program we dokin me 2x4 manager me yin for management of Afterlife me da na se pa obi we built this brand with people into me kase me bodin a me say me boss madam for me bibia lightest ono so be drew Ghana nyame adoma I think by weekend there no so around and me to me bodin susu yime me papa in film cause me papa din when na be didi it's not sorry
yes
na madam Mr. Nana appear and so as I don't know friend virus
appear
into me dana sepa for the support ono kwa na ma security for
nice
say almost somewhere with security no to ono so me dana say eba Mr. Rich Base Cafe ono so share stress na me go through now ono so supporting me very very well management of Flow Event Center Mr. KB Vaness me da almost so asepa Cheche City me say da almost for adekase o my mama but that crew me say da ma Cheche City ababe visit
I also mobile na drive time show crop a chrome money and from mano. Now the one sponsor who say drive time near check drive time.
Good.
Yeah, the mano.
Me.
Can check. Say the feel so on. We are Monday to Friday 1 to 3 p.m.
Good.
Now any day anti segment be on that.
Yeah.
Near from mano.
Yeah. They said that case be more. Me they said that's so be ma Levis Cup. I think within a week, I met with one of my bosses. No, I said, Kofi, the program here, you may say at the end of the program, no, Obi Owa Bruche, and conform once afterlife, into aftermath, no, so be sa Kofi is a show with TV.
Sure.
Into Adiano, you better post to YouTube. I'm a Kofi.
Nice.
And yeah, Levis Cap for Anna Mususu say, Omoboa Kofitila with this, I beboa. Into me, I said, I can see a so at the mom. PH event, Omo Accra, Omona Airbus setup no. Oko Flow Event Center is here, Omo ye setup ne den oh. Me amen crop for me guys, me penny for Ubia. When you say Kofitela, me won't call for those.
Yeah.
Me to me Bobby Eddie. Me Boba could dinner me jab aqua my mistake. It's me the Ubias, Ubi on me Snap, Ubi on me IG, Ubi on me TikTok, Ubi be our supportive brand no. I'm a brand na be Drew say. Nyankopon enhyia mo na nyame adom ochna yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛnyina yɛnhyia wo Flow Event Center adeɛ bia ɛwɔ bia yɛsa de bɛka mo aseda nkɔmɔ bibia.
Nice one. Aseda nkɔmɔ also for having people at heart to put up such an event for people to come and enjoy themselves. With what you have said, with what I've seen about you and the previous ones, I know it will be a fruitful and a beautiful event. If you miss out, you just be counting your fingers and then missing out on a lot. We would all be there. 8 the energy made the national say, as Kofi said with the lineup. Or the watch background, give yourself 11. Now also, I think it's an experience that we would all come and then have shares in it. Kofi, we would be there after the event. You will be here. One macro Becca. To see Kuyu and Kuyu Becaneha. But we'll be happy to have you back here to talk about aftermath of Afterlife. So you'll be at the next one.
Buzz, my nigga.
So we said that's a mobile.